Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very bad start to things as the price made a big move up and then all of a sudden came down here. However, to give credit where credit's due, after that point, it was a slow, steady grind higher and higher. So that's what brings about mainly the two main areas here. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that level. That level is still 100% relevant. But in the spirit from a presentation standpoint of not wanting to cause confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere, let's try to keep this as clean as possible. And from the resistance side of things, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but I've been talking over and over again about that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, and you can see that that's been a problem point there, and then once again, this afternoon, went on that big move up. Never hit the purple line exactly, but I mean, it definitely got within the general vicinity of it before the price pulled back. But point here being that definitely the main area of resistance moving forward is all going to be about that $154 mark, which is the current value, give or take, of that purple line, the 50-period moving average. So continue to watch that from the resistance side of things. In terms of areas of support, now this is the one dynamic that is bearish, because now that we have more data, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this area down to right here at around the 146 mark. And as you saw, I needed to adjust that level of support downwards. Preferably speaking, you want to see levels of support need to be adjusted in the upwards direction. Not just because I adjust that level of support down doesn't mean that everything's going to collapse or anything like that, but just stating as a general rule of thumb, you want to see levels of support being adjusted higher because that implies higher lows are being put into place. But those are really going to be the two main dynamics to watch headed into next week. Again, 146 key level of support, and then that 50-period moving average key level of resistance. So let's see how it all goes next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.